charm, freaking like a charm. I do bitch, I'm Molly, she can't feel her heart. Way by the pound, no sound, glass up, loose and turn around. Running for a week.
Oh, you just got more
Wait,
money.
the ball is a clock now. Do you see that?
Is it?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah, it is.
What?
What?
The ball is a what now?
It's a clock. Clock. I want to fly at the clock.
Dude, that looks crazy.
Yeah, dude.
This is the best pickup of your life. Right. Close.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
There's like energy coming out of the ball too. What's he doing?
Wait, Lupo, you're on the ground with me.
No, I'm on the.
He's not on our screen.
I'll probably bugged.
There's like a figure in there.
It's the Ice King, dude.
Oh.
I'm about to dome him, dude. Let's go.
That looks crazy.
Dude, that's wild. Hey, bud. Just hanging out in there.
You good? He's gonna be real mad when he wakes up and the sword's not in the game anymore.
Here's the idea. I'm pretty sure the idea was that he was gonna wield the sword. Start slaying everybody. Well, that means the sword's coming back.
I hope they bring the sword back.
There's only one way.
And he's a boss, and we have to fight him.
Yep, there's
It's
only
gonna
one way
be
that
like
I'm happy
Thanos.
about what's gonna be. No. I want. You ready for this? I want it to be a boss so hard that people try to like race to fight it. Like race to like it's so hard, dude. Like you queue up, you're in a lobby with 100, no one can shoot one another, the only way you can shoot is
Full team coming towards us. Headshot one, 54. That was not your best play, buddy.
the only way.
Another team west.
Teaming bots! Teaming bots! Teaming bots, bro! Trash cans, dog! Trash cans, dog! What? What is that?
Of course, here comes an airplane. Yeah! Yeah, let's see what I said to this guy! Oh my god, bro.
Oh, I seen. I was looking straight. I was looking straight at him. Oh. He ran right in and was just like, he thought it was gonna go through. He's waiting for it, you know?
Bro, these guys don't die from raw damage. Yikes. Yikes.
Oh my fucking Christ, dude. Give me a fucking break, man. This is such a joke, bro. You're just fucking editing the box.
Alright, let's take this bad boy real quick. Pop this bad boy. Alrighty. We're chilling. We got lots of mats, you know. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. We gotta go for the beam, boys. The Kovacs. What? Wait.
everyone running? Do that.
What?
Got another?
Last guy's on me. Hi.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I am T-Food. Hear me roar. 1 HP in a dream.
I wish I had an AR. This would have been an easy laser kill. Or I can hit him with that, right?
Toxic.
GG's.
Oh, someone's joining. Wait for it.
More people. Hey.
All the fucking boys? Damn, hey.
Oh no!
Oh! We had a corrupt one.
We had a corrupt one.
Guard him.
Can we all squat up?
No, we'll get banned.
For
your president.
Ooh.
Oh, this guy placed that campfire.
Everyone gather around the campfire. We're gonna tell stories. Everyone form a circle.
Yeah, this guy dropped mini stream.
Alright, boys, we gotta get moving. You guys ready to slam? In 3,
Tell me when.
2, 1.
Oh.
It's like that sometimes, you know?
Cruel as hell.
Damn,
Oh my god, guys.
Nobody saw it.
Like bad.
Guys, I thought we were gonna like bring them with us.
Yo, there's a guy over here. Guy on me?
Yeah, that was so sad. I thought they were the
I
boys.
feel fucking guilty, bro.
Don't feel guilty.
Let's go!
Are they pushing or are you pushing them?
I'm pushing them. Got one.
Wrecked.
Let's go.
Wrecked.
Rack, baby.
You know the good die young. Numb in my face, I woke up to the sun. Calling my name, she want me on her tongue. I cannot stay, I know you're not the one. All to myself, yeah, I'm okay. Last night I was sipping on the drink. Fucked up and I can't feel